Hey guys, it's Sam my cat. Welcome back to my channel. So I have finally had some time to film another video because I feel like life is literally crazy. Trying to cook and clean and eat and exercise and work and everything all together is so overwhelming. But I've been doing some makeup here and there, but I haven't filmed anything and I feel so sad. And today I decided to do a video and look at how pretty it turned out. I've been obsessed with like rhinestone looks lately. Like anything with just like subtle rhinestones or even not so subtle, as you can tell. Like I think it just looks so gorgeous and it's so pretty. I'm super into that right now. And I feel like this is something that I wouldn't be embarrassed to wear out like to dinner. Like it's just not like crazy colors, you know, like there's some such creative people out there and I'm probably like not that creative, but I really like looks that you can wear out, you know, like something that you can, I don't know, wear to dinner, for drinks, for something really nice. And this is what I came up with and it's so pretty. So please keep on watching and I'll show you how I did it. It was not that hard actually. You know, the hardest part is, well, it's not hard, it's just more like tedious just to do every single little rhinestone one by one. You know, I kept on losing a million of them, but luckily I bought a bunch of them off of Shein. Like, so far those have been the best rhinestones that I've purchased. They're really sparkly. Look at how pretty. Like, they look so nice. Like, I just like want to go, like, I'm not a raver and I don't go to like raves and stuff, but I just want to go to one just so I can wear crazy fun makeup like this that's just gonna like sparkle in all the lights. But keep on watching and I'll show you how I did this look. Okay, as you can tell, I am not having the best skin day right now. My skin is just like texturized and you can see all the pores and stuff like that. But let's get prepped up. So I'm going to go in with the moisturizer, which is this I Do Care Chill Kitten. I like this stuff. It's really light and it's like jiggly. Look at that. This type of stuff like soaks into your skin and I just like how it's not too thick. And then I'm going to go in with the both Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum and then also the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Toner to give that nice little glowy look. And then some of these Forsali Liquid Glass. I haven't used this in a while, but it makes your skin so pretty because we're gonna kind of go for like a dewy, like cute little like youthful look, okay? So many times and it is legit my favorite combination ever. Like I just feel like my skin looks so freaking flawless and amazing. I don't know what happened to this container. It looks like all the letters like peeled off, which is super weird. But anyways, it's the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. This shit is expensive AF. Like it is ridiculously expensive, but it's so pretty when you layer it on top of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I have no idea. Do you see this? Like all the little letters are falling off everywhere. I don't know what happened. It's real, I swear. I bought it at Sephora. Hopefully it's real from Sephora. But these two together just make a gorgeous, amazing base on your face. So freaking pretty. And I'm just gonna go in with a regular sponge, not damp, a dry one. And then you'll see how pretty these two look together, like gorgeous. kind of messed up because I like to do my brows before I do my foundation. So I'm just going to use a ColourPop brow brush, and then this Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Brow Freeze. I like the e.l.f. brow lift a lot more than this stuff. It tends to hold my eyebrows just so much better. This stuff seems to fall. I don't use it to get like those completely like laminated brows. I use it to control my brows that have a mind of their own and they decide to do whatever they want, you know? So that's all I really use it for, just to keep them in place and to look pretty and neat. And I'm going to try my best not to get any of that on my skin. And if I do, I'm just going to wipe it off with a Q-tip just to clean it up. So say something really simple like that, just to brush it through and to keep all the hairs going like in the same way. And I don't know if I'm going to do, I think with the look today, I'm not going to do any like drastic brows. I'm just going to kind of leave mine how they are, I think. That combination is legit my favorite. Like, look at how pretty and glowy my skin looks. Like, I love it. They got me. So now I'm going to prep my eyelids. So I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Putty Primer, eye primer. I'm just going to use my finger because it is a little thick, so you just kind of warm it up with your own skin when you just like rub your finger around it. And then just dab it on my eyelid. I do really like this putty primer. It's not too thick, but yet it holds your eyeshadow where you need it to be. So I want to do like a very, very light, tiny wing just for some depth right here in my eyes. So I added some makeup tape right here to help it so I could just be as messy as possible and kind of not get underneath. And I'm going to go in with this NYX Epic Smoke Liner. It has a little brush at the end and a little liner on this side. I can't do it without the tape because I always mess up and do it super, super crooked. But I want to do something really light and very simple. You know, I might use some brown eyeshadow. Let me see. So I did just smoke out that NYX pencil right here against my lid. And what else I'm going to do, I have this little Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. I'm going to get this dark brown right here and then just kind of use it to blend out this little line here to give it some more depth and some glitter on there as well. I don't want to go all the way in, I just kind of want to go halfway in here because I don't want it too dramatic for what I'm looking for. I just want something simple that looks like I did not take a lot of time to do. So I want to look like I had no effort in doing any of this at all, that I didn't, it was like I did it like out of nowhere, like in 5 seconds, that I'm just a mastermind. But you know, those looks always take the longest. There, I removed the tape and just see how very like opaque it is. It's not like really like dark or thick. That's not what I wanted. So this is what I kind of wanted, something just super light right here. And then just clean it up with your whatever's left over on your beauty blender, because we're gonna go in with like concealer and everything after that, after we go in with like the other eyeshadows. So I'm going to use the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2 palette. These are the colors. So I want stuff that's really rosy and pretty, and I'm just going to go in probably with like a little bit of everything to blend it out. Like a little bit of the light one. And don't mind if you get it blended right here on this eyeshadow, because you don't want it to be seen all the way into your inner corners. So you're just going to go and start with the lightest one and work your way with all the other colors to get that pretty pink, like baby pink eye look. that brown really faded, which I liked, so I just went in with the darker shade from the Patrick Ta and then just kind of defined it a little bit. Now I'm going to get a little bit of the lighter shade and go underneath my eye, brush it out, and then I'm going to go in. So I'm going to go in with like not the lightest one, but the more pinky tone one. And then I'm going to go a little bit of darker from the outer corner, from out here going inward with the darker color. To connect that wing, to kind of look like that wing is going into the lower lash line here. So going with that darker right on the edge. And then blend it out inward right here. So again, right here by the wing, and then just blend it inward, and then just diffuse it out. And then that goes a little too far out than I wanted, so just wipe it off with your finger, no issues, and then just kind of diffuse it. So I want my lids to look very glassy, like sparkly and glassy, because we're gonna layer some rhinestones on top of it. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this one from Patrick Ta, and then add in these loose glitters by Overall Beauty, which I got on Etsy. They're so pretty. This is a pink shimmer and starfall, these little containers, and I'm just gonna use that to kind of put it all over the lid to give it some depth, to make it look very sparkly and very like glossy look, because I want it to kind of blend with the rhinestones that we're going to be using. We diffused it away, but it's still existing there. It still gives the depth, but it's kind of diffused away. So now we're going to go in with lashes. So I'm going to go in with my favorite Kiss lashes, like always. And then I had cut the ends of another pair of Kiss lashes, which we're going to put on the very ends to accentuate that very line right here at the end. So let's get those lashes on. See how it's very like kind of fox eye look going up on the side, and even though we blurred that little line out, it kind of helps when we put the lashes on, so it all looks kind of up and like sultry and so pretty. And since we overdid it with the glitter like we always want to do, I'm gonna go in with these little rhinestones right here. I got these on Shein. They were from like a nail kit, and I'm just gonna use whatever they had, like this pencil, to pick them up. And I have some duo lash glue that we're just gonna like put little dots all over my eyelid and then just put them on top of there, trying to mirror each side. So let's get ready for that. I feel like the camera's not capturing the light reflecting in front of me and how pretty it looks. Oh my god. I want to put another one like right here to kind of give it like a little dripping eye look, but I'm going to do my face first because I don't want to like pull it off. So I'm going to put everything all together. So I'm going to use this Jeffree Star concealer right here. I know, I have it, it's good, okay, whatever. And this KVD Beauty, this is a liquid gel contour, and this NYX Sweet Cheeks. So I'm just gonna outline my whole head and then blend it all in with beauty blenders. Let's go. beautiful, everything blended together. So remember when I did that video about the girl that like drenched her face like from TikTok and like had like the poreless look? I wasn't a fan of the actual like look that she, like not the look, but like the process that she did. But one thing I did pick up from that video was she literally put everything together. That's the first time I've ever put my contour with my highlight and my cream blush all together and then like blended it out. I just feel like it just blends out so much, like so much more seamlessly, and it just looks more natural and super pretty when you do it that way. So that's one thing that I picked up from it. So I'm just gonna like refresh it with this NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh, just to get like all the liquids, like the creams and everything kind of settled together before I go on top and I set everything with powder. So let's do that. Nice. And then so of course I'm going to use my absolute favorite translucent powder from the One Size Beauty. If you haven't tried it, this is probably one of my #1 picks ever. It is just flawless. It's gorgeous. It's amazing. I love it. Then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer right here. This is in the shade Shady Biz, and I'm just going to go buff that out to get everything nice. And I don't know what kind of blush, if I'm going to do a light blush, but I'm definitely going to use, I don't really have a lot of like powder blushes, so probably this ColourPop Kiss and Tell Little Heart blush right here. Nothing too crazy, nothing to take away from the eye look. So let's get all that put together. With this NYX lip pencil and fill it in with the Sephora Lip Plumping Lip Gloss Outrageous Intense. This stuff is amazing. I'm obsessed with these lip glosses from Sephora, and they're only like $12. Great. Just, I would buy them if I see them. Like, they're really, really nice. For watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm very active on Instagram, and I'm really trying to like balance life and my hobbies, because doing makeup is my hobby. Like, nothing brings me more joy in this world than just doing my makeup. Even like today, I'm not even going anywhere, but just doing it, it's just so fun, and it just puts me in such a great mood. And today's like my Sunday, so I start my work week tomorrow, so nothing is gonna put me in a better mood than doing my makeup the day before. So just make sure, like and subscribe, follow me, send me pictures of your makeup looks if I've inspired you of anything. I love to see it. All right, have a good night. Bye.